This is a quick tutorial on how to buy shares of Grifols SA, the global healthcare company specializing in plasma-derived therapies and diagnostics, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GRFS. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To buy GRFS, you need a broker account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically with an ID, and add funds before placing trades. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker GRFS to find Grifols SA. Confirm you select the correct NASDAQ listing from the search results. On the Grifols asset page, you will see basic company information and a live price chart to review recent activity. Verify the company name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button. Enter the amount you want to allocate. Select your order options, then review and confirm the order on the confirmation screen. If the market is closed, the order will execute when it reopens, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. After execution, your GRFS position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description below if you want to follow the same steps.